Hello and welcome to hgsmediaplustv. My name is Humphrey and today I'm going to be showing you how to make at least $3 to $5 per day with the website I'm going to be revealing to you all shortly. But before we proceed further, I need you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click on the notification bell immediately you click on the subscribe button so that YouTube can notify you when we drop a new video. And yes, hope you guys saw our previous video on movie review for the month of May. If you did, hope you are having fun with the movies. And if you haven't, please go and check the video out. Alright, let's dive right into the business of the day. So yes, this is the website, as you can see right here. And if you scroll through, you see where it says earn money watching new videos, right? Now, all you need to do in this website is just to watch videos, YouTube videos or commercial ads or even movies, and you get credited instantly the moment you're done watching these movies. So if you log into the website here, as you can see, this is the website, and you can see how it is. They have so many sponsors here as well. Then now, as a new user, all you need to do right about now is to click on the three line button at the left corner of this, right corner of this website. When you do, you have the sign up and sign a login button. Now, if you already have an account, all you need to do is click login and log in. But for the purpose of this video, for those of you who do not have an account yet, what you need to do is to click on the sign up button. When you click sign up, it takes you to where you are to input your name, your date of birth, your gender, email address, password. Then when you're done with that, you accept the captcha which says you are not a robot, and you do what? You create account. You see, these are all the details that are required of you, starting with your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your gender, email address, and password. And when you're done, you click on the captcha that says I am not a robot. After doing that, you click create account, and voila, your account is created. But since I already have an account right here, I'm just going to click sign up, sign in rather, to sign into the account, so you see how you can make money from this website. Now I'm going to go into my email. Already I have my email saved on my phone, so I'm logging in right now, and yeah, it's opened. So far, I've made $12.44 already so far, and I've watched over 15 videos. Do not mind this pop-up that you see on the screen. These are ads that are connected to the website that you'll be using to make money, right? Those are ads that pops up. So all you need to do is ignore those ads when they pop up. All right. So right here, I've watched 15 videos so far, and this is what I've made, right? And there are more videos to watch. Now, when you are watching this video, they have five videos, and according to the rule of this website, you can only watch 5 videos in a day. 5 videos in a day, which means that when you're done watching these 5 videos, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. As you can see, there are no more videos. Once you're done watching this 5 videos for a day, that will be it. You will get a notification that tells you to wait till the next day for a fresh video, which means that you will resume the time you finished watching the video. Let's say, for instance, I watch the video now. This same time tomorrow, a new video will come up. That's 24 hours basically, right? Okay, now look at the first video here. This one is saying video not available. I need to click on it again to refresh. Like I said, you tend to get a redirecting ad on the website. That's one of the ways they also earn money too, to also pay users. So when you click on any button and it does a redirect, all you need to do is to click your back button to take you back to the website. Then you will click that same button that you tried clicking before. So I'm going to click it again. It does a redirect, and I take it back, then click it again. Now the video is going to refresh, and it loads, and there's a video. And let me also tell you guys that every video you watch, like I said before, this is an ad. All you need to do is ignore that. Like I was saying, every video you watch is a 34 seconds video. So therefore, you don't need to be bothered about, am I going to be watching this video for a long time, or am I going to be watching a whole series of videos? No, you are only watching this video for 34 seconds. And as you can see here, there is a timer below every video you watch. Look at what is written here. It says this video is available for 34 seconds. So therefore, if you click play on this video to watch, this timer begins to read. You see a blue bar moving. As it's moving, it's counting. And you start seeing 1 of 34, 2 of 34, 3 of 34, 4 of 34, like that, until it gets to 34 seconds. Once that is done, the video automatically shows you complete. Now, I'm going to be going through that process so you see what I'm talking about. Now, I'm going to be clicking play. Like I said, this is a redirect. When it does like that, you click your back button to take you back. Clicking play. As you can see, I think I mistakenly skipped this video a bit. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm going to have to take it back a bit so you can have the complete, So I'm watching the video right now, as you can see, and if you look at the timer below, it's counting. It's counting. See, it's counting. It's counting. By the time it gets to that 34 seconds,
but then at the exact precise moment you want to release a cloud of death, you just twist the lid like this, allowing the smell to escape through these holes and fill the room. And we're using a water bottle because from looking at the CCTV footage, we know they allow them to have water bottles at their desks.
Now we have paused the videos. As you can look below the video, you have a complete button, which means you have completed the first task. Now, for you to acquire the money that you earn for this particular video you watch, all you need to do is to now click the complete button. You understand? Now we're going to click the complete button so you see. And before I click it, remember, this has been my earnings so far. This has been my earnings so far. $12.44. Now, when I click this complete button, you realize that some cash will be added to that fund I already have there. And mind you, every video has the price tag, has a price tag on it rather. It's like this first video I'm watching right about now. It's a paid, it's a what 60 cents or 61 cents rather. It's what 61 cents, that's 0.61 cents. Okay, so as you do videos like this continuously, you keep, compiling all your earnings, and it grows. And the minimum withdrawal for this is $180. I'm also going to show you the withdrawal method, so you see the withdrawal amount that you have to get to before you withdraw and all of that. So now moving on, I'm going to click the complete button. Like I said, when it takes you to a redirect URL like that, just know that it's an ad. All you simply need to do is click back for it to bring you back to the page. Now click complete again. It does the same thing. I take it back, then click it. It answered perfectly well. Now, as you can see, look at what is written here. Successfully complete. You have received 0.61 cents. I'm going to cancel this because it's an ad. See, you have received 0.61 cents. Now, I'm sure you'll be wondering why it's not yet here. Don't worry about that. All I need to do is to refresh this page. Now, refreshing this page, you see, it's been added. And I have $13.05. Are you seeing? So guys, this is all you just need to do. Keep watching these videos and you keep earning. All right. This is saying this was one because it's a network issue. If I refresh it again, you realize that one will go off. So all you need to just keep doing is keep watching videos. Keep watching videos. Okay, you have 5 videos you need to watch in a day, and when you watch all of these 5 videos, imagine, just calculate 0.61 cents, 0.32 cents, 0.47 cents, 0.52 cents, and 0.56 points. If you calculate all of these earnings together, you realize that it amounts to approximately $2 or $3 there, but even more. It means that you are able to make up to this amount in a day. Then you do it for every day within the week. Let's say within 2-3 weeks, you've already gotten to the minimum threshold. That's the minimum amount you need to withdraw. And you're on your merry way to having a withdrawal on your bank account. Now, I'm going to also show you how to withdraw from this platform. Now, like I said, you click on these 3 dots on the right corner of the website. You click it, you go to my account, the drop down menu displays, and you go to withdraw. Now, when you click on this withdraw, now look at all the payment method that they have here. The first payment method is money Western Union, and Western Union here, you can see the minimum withdrawal here is $100, right? Now, the second one here is also Western Union. They have 3 sets of different withdrawal amount from the same payment method. Now, the first one here is $100, which is the minimum withdrawal payment method. Then the third one here is $150. Then the third one here actually is $200. The second one here is $150, and the first one is $100. So if you are able to be patient enough to make $100, which is the first withdrawal a payment method, you can do that. Then click on this withdraw. But if you want to, earn more, as far as earning to $150, you can also earn to that amount and click on this second withdrawal method. Or if you want to go as far as going $200, you can also do that and get to this third withdrawal method. Now, we also have PayPal here. First one is $80, second one is $100, and the third one is $150. And yes, we also have Web Money. First one is $80, second one is $100, and the third one is $150. And the last but not the least, we have Payoneer. Right? Payoneer here is also telling you that you have $80 as minimum withdrawal you can have, or you can decide to extend it to $100, or you can also decide to extend it to $150. So these are the payment methods that we have here on this website. So when you are done watching these videos and you've earned to a substantial amount and you feel you want to withdraw, all you need to do is click the withdrawal button like I showed you earlier. Follow the process, go to the withdrawal button, and it takes you to this page where you just have to do what? Choose your withdrawal method. Remember, your minimum withdrawal amount is from $80 and above. So you have to get to $80 first before you can withdraw. So any of the amount withdrawal method you choose to use based on your preference, you can use it. All right. Let's assume I prefer Payoneer because I like their payment method. So if I choose to use Payoneer as my payment method, if I click withdraw, see it's telling me payment options are not available because the amount required for this payout is $100, which has not been reached. Now the reason is like this is because I have not gotten to the $100 minimum withdrawal like you saw on my dashboard. So it is only when I get to that $100 withdrawal that I can click on withdraw, or when I get to $80 withdrawal amount that I can click on the withdraw, and you can now input your financial details to claim your prize. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you find this video interesting. And yes, if this is something you would like to engage in, why not? Kindly go to the description below and you will see the link. Click it and you will be taken directly to the website where you can sign in and start earning money. Alright, and so guys, thank you so much for watching. Please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, and when you do, please do not forget to click on the notification bell so that when we drop a new video, YouTube will notify you. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, have a good day.